Today, we stand at a crossroads in the rich history of Partido State University. One chapter closes, filled with the remarkable leadership of Dr. Raul G. Badesina, and another unfolds, brimming with the promise of Dr. Arnel Sarcedo's vision.
The college deans, division and unit heads, faculty and teaching personnel, students and guests, good afternoon.
Mula sa lahat ng mag-aaral ng Partido State University,
Ibinibigay namin ang buong suporta sa inyong misyon at misyon.
sa inyong kagalingan at kakayahan,
Tiyak na kagandahan at kaunlaran
ang aming mararanasan dito sa ating minamahal na pamantasan.
Mga pag-iriba, salamat sa pagtaon nito sa kuya ni oportunidad na makataon ng message before I finally step down from the presidency.
Today, we are gathered here to commend a remarkable individual who has dedicated his time, energy, and life during his tenure as president of our prestigious university. President Raul has exemplified exceptional leadership vision and unwavering commitment to the advancement of Partido State University. With great honor and respect that we give tribute to our outgoing University President, Dr. Raul Giga Badesina.
Once again, from PSU Non-Teaching Personnel Association, our heartfelt thanks to you, President Raul, and we wish you a relaxing and enjoyable sabbatical leave.
Let us not squander the new opportunities under the leadership of President Arnel Sarcedo. Let us all work together to support him as our new president and help him be successful.
I do not wish to turn over a legacy of accomplishments. I wish to turn over a direction for growth and a framework for the sustainability and continued expansion of a community of scholars in the university. Together, let us help our new president, Dr. Arnel Sarcedo, in visions and quality of life. Thank you very much for all the support and mabuhay ka lubos. Salamat.
Today, I stand before you with immense gratitude and humility as I accept the prestigious position as the fourth University President of this prestigious university. I assure you that I will dedicate every ounce of my energy, time, intellect, passion, and even my life to ensure that Partido State University continues to thrive and flourish under my leadership.